10 Best Foods for Your Kidneys. In the intricate symphony of our bodies, our kidneys are the unsung heroes, tirelessly filtering waste and maintaining our internal harmony. Kidney health is not a subject to be taken lightly, and what we consume plays a pivotal role in their well-being. In this exploration of the 10 best foods for your kidneys, we embark on a journey to discover the culinary delights that offer not only tantalizing flavors, but also powerful protective qualities. From vibrant blueberries to the crisp crunch of apples, each food in our repertoire brings its unique melody to the kidney's health orchestra. As we delve into this gastronomic voyage, you'll uncover the nuanced benefits and the captivating stories behind each ingredient, enhancing your understanding of these remarkable renal allies. Number 1. Blueberries. Blueberries are like little kidney superheroes, packed with antioxidants that provide kidney protection and overall health benefits. These tiny, vibrant berries contain vitamin C, fiber, and an array of phytonutrients that help reduce inflammation and oxidative stress, which are common factors contributing to kidney damage. Incorporating blueberries into your diet is not only delicious but also beneficial for your kidneys. They can improve blood pressure control, reduce the risk of urinary tract infections, and promote healthy blood sugar levels. Their natural compounds can help to prevent oxidative damage, which is essential for maintaining optimal kidney function. While we carry on, please consider subscribing to our channel if you found this video to be informative and beneficial. Thank you. Number 2. Salmon. Salmon, a fatty fish rich in omega-3 fatty acids, is a kidney-friendly food that feels like a treat for your taste buds. Omega-3s have anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce inflammation in the kidneys, making it an excellent choice for those with kidney issues. Salmon is also a good source of high-quality protein, which is essential for kidney health. Unlike red meat, which can be hard on the kidneys, salmon provides the necessary protein without putting extra strain on these vital organs. It's also low in saturated fat and cholesterol, promoting cardiovascular health, another factor closely linked to kidney well-being. Number 3. Kale. Kale is like a green powerhouse for your kidneys. This leafy green vegetable is rich in essential nutrients, including vitamins A, C, and K, as well as calcium and fiber. Consuming kale helps your kidneys in multiple ways. Its high fiber content aids in maintaining a healthy weight and blood pressure, which are critical for kidney health. Kale's abundance of vitamin K is also beneficial since it helps regulate calcium deposition in the body, preventing the formation of kidney stones. Additionally, the antioxidants in kale protect your kidneys from oxidative damage, reducing the risk of chronic kidney disease. Its anti-inflammatory properties are a bonus for overall health. Number 4. Garlic. Garlic is not only a flavorful addition to your meals, but also a fantastic ally for kidney health. It contains allicin, a natural compound with powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Allicin helps to reduce inflammation in the kidneys and protect them from oxidative damage. Consuming garlic regularly may also contribute to maintaining healthy blood pressure and cholesterol levels, both of which are crucial for kidney function. Its potential to lower the risk of kidney infections makes it a valuable addition to your diet. Number 5. Redbell Peppers. Red bell peppers are not only visually appealing, but also nutritious for your kidneys. They are packed with vitamins A and C, along with other essential antioxidants. Vitamin C, in particular, helps reduce the risk of kidney disease by promoting a strong immune system and preventing kidney infections. Moreover, red bell peppers are low in potassium, making them an excellent choice for individuals with kidney problems. They provide a burst of flavor and color to your meals, while offering various benefits to kidney health. Number 6. Cauliflower. Cauliflower is a versatile vegetable that you can include in a wide range of kidney-friendly dishes. It's low in potassium and phosphorus, making it a suitable choice for individuals with kidney issues. This cruciferous vegetable is rich in fiber, which aids in weight management and blood pressure control. Cauliflower also contains compounds called glucosinolates, which have anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, helping to protect your kidneys from damage. Its versatility allows you to enjoy it roasted, mashed, or as a rice substitute, making it easy to incorporate into your diet. Number 7. Berries, strawberries and raspberries. Strawberries and raspberries are other berry varieties that offer numerous benefits to your kidneys. Like blueberries, they are rich in antioxidants, particularly vitamin C and various phytonutrients. These antioxidants help reduce inflammation and oxidative stress in the kidneys, safeguarding their function. Berries are also low in potassium and can assist in managing blood pressure, a crucial aspect of kidney health. Their natural sweetness makes them a delightful addition to your diet while promoting kidney protection. Number 8. Apples. Apples are not only a crunchy and satisfying snack, but also a kidney-friendly fruit. They are a good source of dietary fiber, which aids in maintaining a healthy weight and blood sugar levels. Apples are also low in sodium and potassium, making them suitable for individuals with kidney issues. The antioxidant content in apples, particularly quercetin, may protect your kidneys from oxidative damage and inflammation. Enjoying apples as part of your daily fruit intake can contribute to better kidney health and overall well-being. Number 9. Cabbage. Cabbage is another cruciferous vegetable that deserves a spot in your kidney-healthy diet. It's rich in vitamins K and C, as well as various phytonutrients. Vitamin K plays a role in regulating calcium, which can help prevent the formation of kidney stones. Cabbage's fiber content promotes digestive health and weight management, important aspects of kidney well-being. Its anti-inflammatory properties and the presence of antioxidants make it a valuable addition to protect your kidneys from harm. Number 10. Watermelon. Watermelon is a hydrating and refreshing fruit that provides benefits to your kidneys. It is primarily composed of water, making it an excellent choice for maintaining proper hydration, which is crucial for kidney function. Adequate hydration helps flush waste and toxins from the body, reducing the risk of kidney stones. Watermelon is also a good source of vitamins A and C, along with antioxidants like lycopene. These nutrients help protect your kidneys from oxidative stress and inflammation. Incorporating watermelon into your diet during the hot months can be a delicious and kidney-friendly way to stay hydrated. Our journey through the 10 best foods for kidney health has revealed a symphony of flavors and nutrients that nourish and safeguard these vital organs. From the antioxidant-rich blueberries to the hydrating allure of watermelon, these foods stand as culinary guardians of your kidneys. Their natural compounds, vitamins, and minerals not only bolster kidney function, but also protect against inflammation, oxidative stress, and the formation of kidney stones. By embracing these kidney-friendly ingredients, you take a proactive step in preserving your renal health. As you savor the delights of garlic, the crispness of red bell peppers, and the versatility of cauliflower, remember that good nutrition can be a pleasure, not a burden. And in the end, it's not just your kidneys that benefit. Your entire body thrives on the goodness you provide. So make these foods a regular part of your diet and let them harmonize your internal symphony with the sweet melody of well-being. Your kidneys will thank you for it, as will your overall health.